I'd gotten off from work rather late in the evening. I pulled into the complex's parking lot and slung my bag loosely as I walked towards my apartment. When I did, I made sure to keep an eye on the courtyard as I passed by it, a habit which I had gotten into the previous 2 days. I ascended the steps and entered my door. After making a small TV dinner, I slouched on my couch in the living room. I turned on my TV and blinked my eyes a few times. When I opened them again, my TV was a dull blue screen, and I realized that I had fallen asleep. I turned off the TV, and that's when I felt my